large data sets, and you always have high-dimensional feature vectors. You are doing nearest neighbor search on them. So you need some of these technologies. And actually, some of the most highly cited papers of mine are still from that early days. And like this is something, and I have a couple of slides on some of this. And out of this core database research, I had like 3 areas of research that I worked and still work in. Is data analysis, which is like data mining type research. Then information visualization, that I'm probably most known in this community. And then multimedia databases, where I also did some work on some of the different tasks. And in between there are kind of things like visual analytics that was already mentioned, similarity search, interactive exploration. And there are lots of techniques that I'm not going to explain, and even more applications around it. And this is just giving you a little picture of the different application areas that I have been working on. And it's really driven by real data sets. I like to work on real problems, get a real data set, and solve that problem. And in some cases, as you'll see in some of the examples I bring, it's engineering type work. You're solving a problem, taking everything it needs to solve the problem, which I think is perfectly fine. But on other sides, we have problems where we do more basic research, where we have to prove, where we have to kind of go into more theoretical work to actually do a good foundation for what we do. And we try to do both, to do kind of the good solutions for some of these problems. And the philosophy behind my group is basically take real-world problems and solve them. And as long as we have enough of the real-world problems to solve, it's a good thing. And if we can do our contribution to some of this, I feel this very rewarding, and I like that. And I